who are familiar with PipBoxer trading system know that it is a great strategy that is backed by money management and risk management tools. But there are a few other things that make PipBoxer different from any other expert advisor or trading system that is out there to trade currencies or forex. For example, we trade PipBoxer live with real money. We publish our live statement online, so you can go to the PipBoxer website and see our latest statement, and we update this statement several times a week to assure you that you have the latest and up-to-date information. We also track our live trades on our blog, so if you refer to the PipBoxer official blog, you can see that we track our trades just to give you this feeling that we are actually transparent and what we show on our statement is not manipulated. The other interesting thing to know about PipBoxer is that it is backed by more than 1 year of live trading. Our annual report shows that PipBoxer made over 5,700 pips in a year, and since our annual report we have made several hundred pips more. And of course we are transparent. If you refer to our website, you can easily see that we never promise you that it's something that is not available by PipBoxer or is doable. We do not promise you millions of pips or millions of dollars, because we believe that PipBoxer is an actual and real trading system for real people. Now let's take a quick look at our live trading platform. So this is the actual trading platform that we use for reporting purposes. It is a live account with MIG Investments, a Swiss-based brokerage firm, and as you see right now it shows about $120 in open loss, and the account balance is $8,276.37. You might like to know that about 13 months ago the account balance was only 3,200 and something, and I later on show you this. If you look at our charts, you'll see that we have attached PipBoxer EAs to trade on our behalf. So none of these trades that are shown below are opened manually. They are actually the analysis made by PipBoxer, and they are opened by PipBoxer. On top of that, we have attached another expert advisor called Investatech Trades Manager, or ITM, to our account, which looks at the overall behavior of our trades, and if it's reached a certain open profit or open loss level, it closes all of our trades. And we have of course explained this online on our website, and when you purchase a commercial version of PipBoxer you also receive ITM. And a quick look at the history of our trades. Let me correct the period, because we actually traded or dedicated this account to PipBoxer from May 31st, 2007. It shows that our profit is over $5,000. Actually here shows the profit loss is $4,800, but there was a mistake made by our broker that then later they deposited that amount in our account, so the actual profit is over $5,000. Now let's take a quick look at our live statement. This is our live statement that we publish on our website, and we update these numbers several times a week, actually even sometimes several times a day, just to show you how our system works. And this chart is the actual behavior of our system since the day that we started reporting. And the next one is our blog. It's pipboxer.blogspot.com or PipBoxer official blog. And as you see, we track our trades. For example, here it shows that 2 of our short British pound to US dollar trades closed, and a long euro dollar also closed, and whether they made money or lost money. And again, these are all trackable, and you can see our previous reports as well here, all reports in July or June and prior to that time. And then let's take a quick look at our live trades reports for the first year. In 1 year, as you see here, we made over 5,700 pips. And this basically means that our initial balance was $3,263, and our balance at the time that 1 year was finished was $7,760. This means that we made roughly $4,500 in 1 year, or we more than doubled our account balance. The growth was more than 137%. And as you see from our live account right now, our balance is right now $8,276, which is more than $500. And right today is July 7th, 2008. This means about less than 40 days from that report. So it shows that we made roughly over 500 pips in the last 40 days. So back to our live report, we have also broken down the behavior of all our pairs. At that time we only traded 10 pairs, and as you see, 6 of those pairs were profitable. They made money, and unfortunately 4 of them lost money. But there is something about those 4. The win rate of all those 4 is above 54%. So it means that more than half of their trades were really profitable. The only problem is that the average loss per losing trade is more than the average win per winning trade, or average gain per winning trade. And that's what we are striving to do in the upcoming year, to increase that average gain per winning trade, to turn these EAs profitable and make money with them. And of course, there are a few other things. For example, the average gain per month is $374, which means roughly 12% comparing to the initial investment gain per month. And then we have even crunched some numbers about the behavior of each pair per month, that shows how many pips each pair gained in a month or lost in a month, to give you a better idea of how our system did. And if you look at the totals, you will see that out of 12 months, PipBoxer made money in 10 months and only lost money in 2 months in 1 full year, which is a very positive movement, and I'm really happy. And especially since December 2007, we have constantly made money every single month, and we never lost money in a month. This doesn't mean that we stop. Our next step is just to continue with our research and development. We continue creating new EAs, we continue reviewing our existing EAs, and of course changing the parameters if necessary to enhance the behavior of the system, changing the code, reviewing the code and everything. So the more customers we have, the more funding for research and development will be available. And it would be great if you support us and join the PipBoxer community. It comes from more than 46 different countries.